All right, Jody, what's the first step we're going to do here on C?
Multiply -2 times 7.
Oh, okay. So she's doing this one, so we can go ahead and do that one. That's all right. I was a little confused there for a moment. All right. So she said multiply both sides by -2, so we get x minus 4. Does anything special need to happen when we multiply by a negative? Flip the inequality symbol. Good job. And get -14. Now what are we going to do? Toby, what do we do now?
Oh wait, you add the 4.
Very good, add the 4. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your mid-drink there. Okay, so we get x is greater than, what are we going to get there? Ooh, how about -10? How about not 18? Not 18. Not 18.
How about 14 plus 4?
But it's -14, right?
Oh, I didn't think of one.
Okay. All right, now let's go back to the first one. John, what are we going to do on this first one here?
Oh, divide by 2.
Good, divide by 2. So x is less than -8. Okay. Do what? We're good. You sure about that? You might want to look at your number line again. So I get -10, -9, -8. Oh, how many of you are going to be upset when you see your quizzes, and how many of you did your number lines backwards? Okay? And you got points off every time you did that. Okay, some of you did it on all three. All three. Just saying.
Is that like halfway up?
Yeah. Okay, so when we look at that on 8, open, going this way. Everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, 10, open, going to the right. So now, based on that, what has shading above it? Hey, you should be saying everything right about now. Not in betweens. It's not an and. It's not where it overlaps. It's an or. What has a mark? It doesn't matter if it's 1 mark or 2 marks. What has a mark above it? Everything has a mark above it. So what do you think your answer is? Everything's got a mark.
Everything.
All real numbers. So all reals. Or you could write everything and give that a whirl. Okay? No. You can. It's not going to go well for you, but you can. You can.
Might not say.
Okay, and then your whole number line is going to be shaded. The whole thing, arrows, just darken in that whole number line because everything here is an answer. Okay, so or what has a mark above it, and where does it overlap? Okay, you guys see the difference there? All right, we're almost done. 2 more. All right, so example 3. Write inequality, solve, include graphing, write your final answer set, build a notation. Okay? So this is another one where we got to repeat, right? So the sum of a number and 3. Let's stop there. What's that? Add.
Like
N plus 3, x plus 3, doesn't matter, okay? Do we have to have parentheses here?
Yeah.
Okay, in this case, you could go either way. So if you have x plus 3, there's only one thing happening to this problem. If you were to put parentheses around it, it would not be wrong. Okay? But in this case, because we're just taking a number plus 3, you don't have to have the parentheses on this particular problem. Okay? But it's okay if you do. Okay, yeah, you can, and it's not going to be wrong. Okay, is no more than 8. So it's 8. Okay, no more than 8. What sign should I put there? Less than or equal to. If you have no more than 8, that means 8 is the most, right? So alligator eats the bigger number. Okay, now, as you're reading through there you see that or word. So again, sum of a number and 3, and then you have 2 endings. You have is no more than 8, or is more than 12. Again, 2 endings, right? Same beginning, 2 endings. Okay, so now, or, same beginning, no more than 12. What sign should go there? Sorry, is more than 12. I think I said that wrong. Is more than 12. Greater than? I'm going to disagree. If you have more than 12, then I mean we got more than 12. We got 13 or 14 or 15, right? We got more than 12. So if I've got more than 12, 12 is my smallest number, alligator eats the bigger number. Okay, does that make sense? Guys, I know this is hard. This is probably one of the biggest drawbacks on your quiz was you guys just put a lot of signs backwards on the word problems. A lot of signs backwards. Okay? All right. So Shiloh, start us off. How are we going to solve the first one here? Good, so subtract 3 from both sides. So we have x is less than or equal to 5. Zion, how do we solve the second one here?
Subtract 3.
Very good, subtract the 3. So then x is greater than 9. Okay, now if I read up there, it did say this includes a graph. So we're gonna put 5 and 9, just hand sketch it when we're doing it, just put down a couple of numbers there. Closed on 5, heading out, opened on 9, heading out.
Yes.
Does that look like a good or statement?
Yes, finally.
Yes, finally, we got a normal one again, don't we? Okay, so we're gonna put the word or in between, right?
Mhm.
We're gonna put a line X with a set bracket around it. And so right there was my answer, even though it's kind of spread out on this particular problem. That's your answer right there. Yes.
So like, 1A. Like, if you want to put it on the graph, do we just like put those dots down on the numbers?
Yes, we can do that.
That's okay.
All right, last one, number 4. Take a second, write your answer here for this problem. Okay, so they're giving you the graph, all you gotta do is come up with the final answer. So everybody try 4 for me real quick.
So do you only do the or, like put in set letter notation if it works? If the
Yeah, well, I mean, these were just special cases. So normally this is the blue answer is what we're gonna have. What are you confused on? Okay, anybody wanna try an answer here to see if they got this one right? Hannah, what do you got?
X is less than -2, or X is greater than or equal to 1.
Very good. Okay, so you're just writing down the first section here, and the second part. Any questions? All right, nice job today, guys. All right.